You've heard about investing, maybe even dabbled a bit, but the world of finance can feel intimidating. What if I told you there's a simple, accessible way to start your investment journey? Enter Stashaway, an investment platform designed for everyday people. Now, before we dive in, let's be clear, investing involves risk. There's no guarantee of profits, and you could potentially lose money. But with the right approach and a long-term perspective, investing can be a powerful tool to build wealth. Stashaway is a robo-advisor, meaning it uses algorithms to automate your investments. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and Stashaway builds a personalized portfolio of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that align with your profile. Key benefits of Stashaway. Accessibility. Stashaway makes investing incredibly user-friendly. No need to be a financial expert, the platform handles the heavy lifting. Diversification. Your portfolio is spread across a range of assets, reducing your overall risk. Automation. Stashaway automates your investments, making it easy to consistently contribute to your goals. Flexibility. You can choose from different investment strategies, adjust your risk level, and even set up recurring contributions. How to get started. Sign up. Create an account on the Stashaway website or app. Risk assessment. Answer a series of questions about your investment goals and risk tolerance. Fund your account. Transfer funds from your bank account to your Stashaway account. Choose an investment strategy. Select the investment strategy that best suits your needs and timeline. Start investing. Stashaway will automatically invest your funds based on your chosen strategy. Tips for success. Long-term perspective. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on long-term growth and ride out market fluctuations. Regular contributions, even small, consistent contributions can make a big difference over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers. Monitor your portfolio. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed. Keep up to date on market trends and financial news, but don't let short-term fluctuations derail your investment plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.